So Unlimited Tech Solutions was kind of just in the right place at the right time. We started the company, Cornet and I, in 2021. And we started it, he had a software development background, I have a CRM background. And we started it to essentially do integration work, migration work, simply because we liked it. It was just stuff we're good at. We had back, our histories, our personal histories had the right resume. And we both left a corporate background. We're like, we don't want to do the corporate thing again. So we're like, let's just do good work with good people. Now, I say we're in the right place at the right time. Why? Well, because HubSpot was shifting away from I like to jokingly call it the marketing bros era, and shifting more into competing directly with Salesforce, right? So the flywheel days, when there's a bunch of partners, and nothing against those partners, right? Flywheel stuff is really important. It's just not what we do. But it's really shifting more towards these more technical solutions, right? Where we can bring in, 500 employees on a CRM that have, CPQ needs and just a lot of other like really, really technical processes. And because of HubSpot's growth curve, and again, I wish I could say like, oh, I saw it. No, I didn't. I was just doing something I liked doing on a platform I liked. And then this wave of demand was really there. And there were some projects when it was just, he and I that nobody else could do. And so, we were this little gold partner in the back, and they're like, I don't know, everybody else said they couldn't do it. What do you guys think? And there was a couple that we solved that got some attention, right? There are some that we just some really cool solution designs that we put together and we were able to implement. And we quickly built a reputation for being the type of consultancy that can work on the more complicated processes and the more complicated use cases, right? So one of the taglines that I'm toying with is solving tough CRM problems fast, right? Because that's it. We're solving tough CRM problems. That's what we do. And the shift in HubSpot to these more technical, I'm going to say traditional, right? Because I got a Salesforce background. Salesforce ecosystem has been doing this for 20 years. And HubSpot, when they kind of let the flywheel atrophy and got into, competing with the big blue cloud, right? It's allowing some of the more technical consultancies to play here. But there's some table stakes that need to be met. And that is really technical background. You need to be really good at integration work. You've got to have a more traditional process of discovery, solution design, technical documentation, down to the itty bitty detail, and to run it like a technical project, to run it like almost like an ERP implementation. Because some of these can get, I don't want to say as complicated because it isn't, but just short of a full ERP implementation. And so what I find a little bit tricky for the consumer is being able to tell the difference between a technical shop and again, with no disrespect to those who kind of came up through the marketing ranks, and the marketing shops that are trying to kind of retroactively learn some of the more technical skills.